Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Flow and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your